Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Sandbox, which is a metaverse project.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Sandbox, which has been doing insane numbers recently. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. And this is not financial advice as well, so enjoy.
Just a quick note before the video starts. This video may be a bit outdated compared to the current prices as you're watching this video. This is because we're having to record 1 week in advance, 2 weeks in advance for some of the videos, as we will be on holiday when they are due to be released. So it's the best that we could do to keep providing you videos. So as you can see here, it's actually been rising a lot, but that's for every metaverse project right now. There's just huge traction going on, huge adoption in there. But if we look at just the last month, it's the exact same thing. It's just seriously been rocketing up. Like down here, what was the market cap? It was, as you can see, it wasn't even $1 billion market cap back in. This was literally just before. This was October. It wasn't even $1 billion in October, and now in November 18th, as I'm recording this video, it's $3.7 billion market cap, which is insane how much it's grown since then. It just shows that people are recognizing what metaverse is going to do, and they're recognizing it really is the future. Um, Especially considering you can make money with it as well. It's crazy, really. But we've still got another 70% to be released into circulation, which makes sense as it's a fairly new project, only a few months old. There is currently 892 billion tokens in circulation, and there's meant to be 3 trillion. So we still have a lot to go through. We still have 1.1 trillion to go. So therefore, the price does go down as they get released. But in the long term, as they do get bought up, which is this type of project, it definitely will be. It's only good for the price in long term. So if we look at its all-time high, which I'm assuming it's broke it very recently. Yep, an hour ago it broke its all-time high, $4.32. And today everything's actually in a dip right now. Everything's dipping really, apart from crypto.com, of course. That's been going parabolic recently. But yeah, this is definitely a needle in a haystack type project. So if you're looking for where you can actually buy it, it's already been listed on Binance, so you can go buy it on Binance, or KuCoin or FTX are also great options to purchase your cryptos from.
As you guys can see here, the Sandbox does provide something similar to what we've actually been seeing. And a lot of different cryptocurrencies nowadays, from what we know, they have actually been incorporating many metaverse type-ish cryptocurrencies where you can actually, from virtual reality, you may want to put you on the head. They may want to incorporate something where you can put in your headset in the future, but from now it's an online game, so you can pre-register and you can buy land, you can play within the ecosystem, and you can build up your property. You can, exactly what you would do in real life, but you would actually be playing within the game. So it's definitely something pretty cool, and there's a lot of different features that they may add, such as NFTs, which if you buy an NFT within the game, that can help you, and it can actually boost yourself and actually help you within the ecosystem within the game and being an early adopter. Because if you do believe in a cryptocurrency and if you do believe that it does deserve to be a high market cap, then it's always good to invest into the cryptocurrency and understand that early adopters always earn the most, not only because of cheaper prices, but because of what the cryptocurrency is actually doing. So yeah, if you are an early adopter, it can be a very good thing for you if you do get started earlier.
As you can see, they've got a lot of partners in their project, from Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, Disney, that looks like, Care Bears, Smurfs, Hell's Kitchen, huge partners there. But I'm assuming this is partners that are actually just in the game, and they're not actually partnered, but they would be to have that be possible. But I'm not thinking that they're actually like investors in the project. Maybe they are, but it's just a thought of mine. It's not confirmed, but that's just my thought process, because I've not seen any of these companies mention it or anything like that, but I may be wrong. So as you can see, this is the map for the game, and if you when you press something, we have to be signed in to see all the features. But for example, let's press OpenSea. It will show you the location, and you'll be able to view the lands, and I believe you can also purchase stuff as well from this. You could also be so for your you can see the stuff that's literally just on sale by pressing on sale up here, and it would show you everything that's on sale that you can then purchase. And there was actually nothing found in my search right now. That's very weird.
Yeah, so as you guys can see on this page, okay, they have got different NFTs at the minute. And as you guys can see, they are fairly reasonably priced compared to many other NFTs in, the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So maybe grabbing a few right now could be something that you guys may be interested in. The reason being is, as you guys may have seen from recent Bored Ape Yacht Club or whatever they're called, all of the hype NFTs, they've all ended up doing insane numbers, and they all started off relatively cheap. So, it's always good to understand the ecosystem that you're getting involved in and why the NFT might be going higher. So at this minute, because they are relatively cheap, it could be a nice buying opportunity for you guys if you guys are interested into the NFTs, and also do your own research as well. But as you guys can see here, they have got quite some quite expensive NFTs here, which may be worth it in the future. And yeah, definitely recommend you guys to look into this kind of stuff because it is the future, it is proven. And a lot of different ecosystems are going to be getting involved in this. So you can either get involved now or later on when everything else is expensive.
So that is now uh, so that is now the end of this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out, and yeah, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.